Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to make paid content in Telegram. So first up, open your Telegram app and then here, open your channel. And once you open your channel, tap on the clip icon right here at the bottom right. Then you just have to select a photo or video that you want to post. For example, here. And then tap on the three dots at the top right. Now, as you can see, an option shows up. Here, you'll then need to tap on Make this content paid. Once you tap on that, as you can see an option here to enter the unlock cost. So basically, you'll then need to enter the unlock cost so your subscriber be able to open this post. So 50 stars is equivalent to less than $1. So in this case, I'm going to put like 1 star. And once you've done, tap on this, make this media paid. Your subscriber may see this image look like this, like having a spoiler, and they should have enter the star so they can see the post. So once done, tap on this icon right here at the bottom right. And as a subscriber, so this is what it looks like when you're a subscriber. So as you can see, unlock for 1 star. So basically, if you're going to tap on the unlock for 1 star, so here, as you can see, confirm your purchase. So do you want to unlock a photo in this channel for 1 star? So if you want to open this one, just tap on the confirm and pay 1 star. Now here, as you can see the price per stars. So you just need to purchase and then select your payment method. If you want to use credit or debit card, so tap on that. So for example, I'm going to use add credit or debit card. So you're going to add the card number and once done, tap on continue button. Now as an admin, if you want to see all of the paid stars, you just need to make sure that you activate your monetization and you can basically withdraw your money if you got a 1000 subscriber on your channel. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.